Welcome back to another video. Today we're looking at the clearance deals, the tool deals that they have. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools, make to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So help us out by subscribing. All right, let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna start here at the lawn and garden section. We got this mower here. You guys already got the 24-volt batteries. This mower is good for you, $400. It does already include some batteries in there, so it's a fairly good runtime, 60 minutes, 20-inch cutting. Then they got top of the line Eagle here. This is the push mower, $399, 45-minute runtime. So you guys see there, 21-inch cutting, so 21-inch stack. Then they got the even better top of the line, $499 with the rear wheel drive, 21-inch deck. And then they got the Craftsman here, $299. I personally don't like it. It looks weird. But yeah. And then they got this $299 from Skill, 40 volts. Not a bad little mower. And then they got this one, 40 volts, 20-inch deck, $279. So if you got a smaller yard, if you do a lot of maintenance on it, then that's a good one for you for a smaller yard. They got the 600 CFM backpack blower from Eagle. $379. It's on sale from $399. It is a 56 volt power, brushless. And then they got this toolbox still for $49. This Craftsman 3-drawer toolbox. It is metal. They got this tote for $49. Some really nice tote there. And then they got this drill for $23.99. I guess they're cleaning this out. I don't know if they're going to stop carrying that or not. And they got the Skill 12 volts. Really nice tools. Definitely recommend these for you guys. A $79.98 half-inch drill driver. We got the impact driver, $79.98 with the kit, the whole kit. And then you got the circ saw there, the reciprocating saw, $129, and the multi-tool, $129. So definitely check them out. Some great deals there. For the DIY, if you got a smaller yard or smaller projects going on, then this is the tool for you. They are lighter. So got the buy more save more from Cobalt, 24 volt max. Most of the bare tools are eligible. So you got and then they got this on clearance, $161. I've seen it in other stores for as low as $125. So make sure you guys check your store, because if you guys are interested, this is a battery operated miter saw, and regular price is $269. So you're saving quite a lot there. So make sure you guys, if you guys go there, look for that miter saw. They got the Skill Power Cord 20. I personally love my Power Skill 20 volt tools. $159 for the impact driver kit. I believe it does come with the rapid charger and that battery that has the USB. That's $189 for the impact driver and drill driver with the rapid charger. And you got the reciprocating saw multi-tool for $149, drill driver for $139, and then the circular saw kit for $199. So all these really nice tools. $49 for the fan from Craftsman. It is corded or coreless, so if you don't have any batteries and you want to use it as a corded, you can use it. You got $59 there, and $74 for the drill, made in the USA, brushless. Definitely check it out. These are some nice tools here. You got an impact driver kit, 101. This is a great deal. Definitely check it out. I love my impact driver. It's really nice. It's very similar to the DeWalt 887, so definitely check it out. You got the drill driver kit there for 2 batteries for $95. That's definitely a great deal. Lots of great deals on these. And it's brushless, so it was $159. So it tells you how much you're saving there. And they do have the buy one get one free, a bare tool, get a free battery. So you do get a 4 amp hour battery and a battery kit, which is the charger. So definitely check it out. And then they got this, the buy one get one free from Bosch. You got Bosch the Freak impact driver. Get a free 2 amp hour battery. Same thing with this bare tool. And they got this on clearance 2 brushless combo kit, $179. It's a nice kit there. You guys don't know about the Freak. It does have a square, the impact wrench and the impact driver at the same time. $195 for the 2 brushless combo kit. Then $199 for the SDS Plus Bulldog rotary hammer drill. So really nice. Then you got the buy one get one free. You get a free starter kit with the bare tool. They got huge clearance on these Metabo. Make sure you guys check out your store. These are professional level tools. These are great tools. Definitely check out these prices. Hammer drill with the 5 amp hour battery and a 2 amp hour battery for $103. Definitely check it out. It was $229. A 3 amp hour battery and a 5. So definitely check it out. Then they got impact driver drill driver for $194. It does include a battery, 2 batteries, a charger in a bag. Was $299. Definitely a killer deal there. Same thing with this, $194. And then $67 for the tripper hammer. If you're already on this line, I recommend you guys get this triple hammer. This one's really nice. 67 bucks. Was $149 bare tool. You got the hammer or impact driver kit, 62 bucks with the battery and a charger. That's a really good deal. Was $139. This is a. And then they had the bandsaw here. Bare tool, $89. If you guys buy this bandsaw, you get, I believe you guys get the starter kit. So definitely check it out. Some good deals. And they got this drill here, corded drill, 88 bucks, 850 RPM. And then they got this for $35, a 9 amp half an inch drill. Was $89 from Metabo. Then they got this other one for $30.22 for was $49.98. This is the 3/8. And they got some DeWalt's here, $129 for the drill driver. So this is middle of the grade type of stuff. It's not going to be top of the line. Got an impact driver, $129. An impact driver drill driver there. And you got the impact driver drill driver and the oscillating tool for $249. And then they got that 40-piece kit, Flex Torque, $29.98. I personally do not like DeWalt bits. They don't last. Got a 65-piece there for $14.90 something. It's a really nice set there. $11.98 for a 16-piece tape measure or 16 feet tape measure. $22.98 for the 3-piece adjustable wrench. It's a really nice kit to add to the toolbox. 21 piece there. I personally like the titanium. This is an all-inclusive little kit. If you're going to give this as a gift to somebody that doesn't have any tools and has a drill, it's a nice little kit there. $14.98 for the 27-piece rapid load set. That's a nice sleeve on the top there, the rapid load sleeve. Yeah, make sure you guys pick that up if you guys have a drill. $16.23 for the 35-piece Flex Torque. Like I said, these drill bits are not my favorite, especially those Phillips. $10.98, 47-piece screwdriver bit set. So it's a pretty plain. I believe I've seen these cheaper. This is the Apex. This is a really nice if you're an electrician. You got some plastic around the bits. That way you're not, cross contaminating. You got small area lights, 55 bucks from Craftsman. I believe it's battery powered. You got $51 for the DeWalt handheld lights, 110 lumen it says. $15 for the Cobalt 24 volt light bare tool. And as you guys see there, Pretty nice. $82.91. Was $99. 3/8 drive. 1838 for the 300 lumen Bosch 12 volt light. You got a screw gun here from Black & Decker. For the house, for the kitchen drawer, 2621. It's a 4 volt next gen. You got a really basic drill driver, 12 volt, 23.99. Really basic for somebody that has an apartment or, you know, small house. You got impact driver, drill driver. All these are on sale. If you buy one of these, you get a free 5 amp hour battery. That's if you can find it at your store. All the kits are $99. $199 for the 3-tool combo kit, cordless combo kit. We did see it at the other end cap. Now they dropped it to $199, so definitely check it out. It's a great deal. You got impact driver, drill driver, oscillating tool, 2 batteries, a charger in a bag for $199. So basically 3 tools for the price of 2. So was $299. We've seen this kit for $299. That oscillating tool is really nice. Definitely check it out. $199 for impact driver, drill driver, made in the USA, brushless. And yep, that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs on platform, by subscribers and likes. And stay tuned for tomorrow. We're gonna have, I believe, another shopping at Home Depot or Harbor Freight. So definitely check it out.